Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. So, in this session, we will continue the same chapter, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. Today, we will discuss about the distribution of wildlife. Okay. So, while talking about this wildlife, so we all know that wildlife is an essential part of our ecosystem. Okay, so both natural vegetation and wildlife, they are interlinked with one another. How? The natural vegetation, that means forest, grasslands and deserts, they provide a natural habitat to all the animals, isn't it? So besides habitat, it also provides space for growth and movement, food and water, and a place for breeding and raising their young ones. Alright, now animals of different regions, they adapt themselves to their respective habitats. That means wherever, suppose in case of deserts, so different animals stay there. In case of grasslands and forests, different species of animals, they stay over there. So in accordance to the regions, they adapt themselves. Alright, so therefore natural vegetation in an area determines the type of wildlife available there. So whatever kind of natural vegetations we have, so in accordance to that, wildlife is also present over there. Alright, so let's see the distribution of animals in different continents as per the landforms of those continents. Okay, so first we have, that is Africa. So when we talk about Africa, the big fives that you can see in the picture, these big fives come up. Alright, so in Africa, elephants, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, pythons, crocodiles, gorillas, apes and chimpanzees, they all live in the equatorial forests. As in these equatorial forests, the amount of rainfall is also more, they get proper sunlight also. Okay, now in the grassland areas, we get deer, giraffes, zebras and stags. And in the desert areas, we have camels and ostrich. Along with all this, we have also different kinds of other animals. Alright. Now, if we see in South America, so South America, a rich diversity of wildlife is seen in South America. Alright. Now, it is the habitat for rhea. So, rhea, it is a flightless bird. Condor, the largest bird of prey. Hummingbird, and various different types of parrots. Okay, so along with all these reptiles such as anaconda, python, crocodiles and all these alligators, these are also found over there. Okay, so animals like llama, jaguar, monkey, okay, these are the common animals that are found over there. Giant turtle. Along with all these, some ancient mammals of South America are also present over there. Anteaters, armadillos. So although we are not sure about them right now in this present situation, whether they are extinct or not, still few these were the ancient mammals that were found in South America. Okay, so next we have, that is North America. Yes, this is one of the important one. Now we all know the northern part of North America experiences extremely cold climate. So therefore, most of the animals found here have thick furs to keep themselves warm. Now, animals found here include reindeer, Arctic fox, muskox, sable and mink. So these are the different species of weasel, polar bear and blue fox. Okay, and if we move on to Europe, the main animals, Europe has limited wildlife, so the main animals found here are the polar bear, wolf, wild boar, wild sheep and antelope. Along with all them, rabbit, deer and hare are also found in Europe. Now, if you see, the fur-bearing animals such as the mink, ermine, sable are now raised on fur farms. And the different species of birds such as partridges, ducks, larks, cuckoos, skylarks and nightingales are also found in Europe. Okay, now let's see Asia. Now Asia experiences varied climate and hence has varied wildlife. Alright, now monkeys, sloths, leopards, tigers, elephants and lions are found in the tropical areas. Now if we move on to the temperate areas, temperate region is the habitat for herons, cranes, bears and foxes. And if you see in the tundra regions, suppose lynx, mink, sables, polar bear, musk ox and arctic fox, these are all found in the tundra regions. Now, Australia. Australia is home to marsupials. Now, what are these marsupials? Marsupials are the mammals who carry their young ones in a pouch near their stomach. So you can call them as a species of kangaroo, like kangaroo. So along with these marsupials, we have kangaroos and koalas also. Okay. So along with all them, the duck-billed platypuses, emus, lyrebirds, or you can say lyrebirds, kingfishers and kookaburras, they are also found here. Alright, now we have the last one, that is Antarctica. Now, the water body that surrounds the continent of Antarctica, has creatures ranging from small krills to whales. Now, penguins are the native to this continent and they are also a symbol of Antarctica. Alright, now sow petrel that resembles a white dove is also found here. Now, a number of seals and albatrosses are also found near the coastal areas. Alright, so these are all the different kinds of wildlife that are available in all the different continents. Now, while we are talking about all the different continents, now the next topic that we have, that is the wildlife of India. Okay, yes children, the wildlife of India. So India is rich in wildlife. Okay, India is rich in wildlife. Now, India has vast range of wildlife. Okay, suppose tigers, elephants, Asiatic lions, one-horned rhinoceros, okay, leopards, snow leopards, deer, antelopes, okay, monkeys, crocodiles and alligators. These are some of the animals that are found in India. Okay, that are found in India. Now, along with all these, India is also home to thousands of species of birds like peacocks, parrots, kingfishers, ducks, pigeons and cranes. Alright, so all these different species of animals and birds are found in India. Now, India has a vast range of wildlife. So you won't believe children, the Royal Bengal tigers, the Asiatic lions and the one-horned rhinoceros, these are all found only in India. Okay, so it is and to preserve all these amazing animals and their natural habitats, we have many conservatories in the form of national park, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. Alright, so all these are what? All these are different kinds of conservatories that are present in India. So the varied climate and landscape makes it an ideal place for the wildlife to survive in India. Okay, so next we have, that is one of the most important, that is conservation of wildlife. Yes children, so since time immemorial, humans have depended on wildlife for their existence. Now, in olden times, what happened? Humans domesticated animals like sheep, dogs, goats, horses, cows and camels. Okay, now also they domesticate these many animals. Now, over a period of time, the human activities, they started posing a threat to wildlife. And with the passage of time, a great amount of damage was caused by humans. Okay, so human beings, they have destroyed the natural habitats of wild animals by cutting down forests, constructing roads, railways, industrial complexes and cities also. So hence it has become necessary to take immediate and adequate steps to conserve the wildlife. Alright, and to do this, the different steps have been taken by the government and the other NGOs in this direction. Alright, so what are the different steps taken? First we have the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Yes, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been set up to protect the endangered species. Alright, so in many states these are present. Okay, along with all them, poaching and hunting of animals have been prohibited, and many laws have been enacted in this regard. Next, awareness programs such as the Van Mahotsav are encouraged to replenish the flora. Yes, so awareness programs are also done not only by the government but also by the non-government organizations. Okay. Again, biosphere reserves have been set up where multiple land use is permitted to preserve different biodiversity. And the last one, that is awareness is being created all over the world for the protection of wildlife. Okay, now in accordance to this awareness, I'm just giving you an information that is cities. It is an international agreement between government that stands for the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Now, cities has banned the trade of products made from endangered species. Okay, so it is an international agreement done between the governments of different countries that stands for Convention on International Trade. Okay, so all these, and for all this we also preserve this International Wildlife Day, and it is we celebrate it on 3rd of March. Okay, so that's all we have in this session. I hope you have liked it. So see you in the next session with different topics. Okay, till then, bye bye.